Add system speed dials to the NEC SL2100. The NEC SL2100 phone system must be connected to your existing network via an available Ethernet port. Connect to phone system through your web browser. Open web browser and type in either the IP address or http://sl2100. Log in as a user with the username user1 in all caps, with the password of 1111 and press login. Browse to and click speed dial on the left side. Highlighted pointer in red. Next you will have to figure out how your service provider allows you to dial out. Test whether you must dial a 9, or add a 1 before the phone number. If you must dial a 10-digit number to call locally. Once you have that figured out, you are ready to move forward. Add the speed dial in the number field and add the name associated with the speed dial number. It will be best to add the name in all caps for ease of use when dialing speed dials. Next, click the blue check mark in the upper right corner to save your speed dial entry. Next, click the forward navigation button highlighted in red in the upper right-hand corner to navigate to the next speed dial name and number you would like to add. Repeat the same step starting at step 4. Use the navigation buttons in the upper right-hand corner highlighted in red to navigate back and forth and edit the speed dial name and number. When you are done adding your speed dials, click the Home button highlighted in red in the upper left. Click the Logout button in the upper right-hand corner highlighted in red to save your speed dials. Be sure to click Home and log out, or in some instances your work will not be saved and you will have to start over. Please see our video on how to make calls using system speed dials with the NEC SL2100 phone system.